Hi, in front of me Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to perform soft reset force restart on this device. Firstly, you need to turn your device off by holding the power button for about 15 seconds. So just hold it and wait until Xiaomi logo appears on your screen, then release power button and wait until your device will boot. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.